Alright, I was in the Terror Tram and it took 20 minutes. Not too bad.
Or you can pronounce it Mariana, or you can pronounce it Malicious Evil Tour Guide ready to take you to your doom. I don't know. And today we are celebrating 15 years of Blumhouse Nightmare Fuel, the studio that reaches.
My name is Megan.
Oh no.
I'd like to welcome you on board the Terror Tram. Good job. Terror. That implies someone or something that inspires fear. I guess that's me. Just a fun fact. If you have any small children with you tonight, I really have to question your parenting choices. Please make sure that they are seated towards the center of the aisle, away from the tram gates. If you have an emergency of any kind, please pull the red emergency cord overhead, and I'll be back to assassinate you. Assist you. Have a great time, everyone. Surprise.
I am so. This is just about as far as Tommy and I are gonna take y'all. And I don't know. I kind of like Megan from afar. Her dance moves, killer. She's really a feminine phenomenon, isn't she? And there she is. Hey, Megan. Slay, girl. Slay, Megan. Slay every single person on this tram, Megan. No
I don't like Insidious. I didn't go to the maze last year because I was scared.
Touch your baby.
Going to die. Tonight you're going to die. You're all going to die. Tonight you're going to die. You're all going to die.
Give it to me like
This is Norman Bates' house. Mother, where's the mother? Mother, not you, mother.
emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the annual purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours.
To the party, Cupcake. Alright, Princess, let's get this party started. Cupcake.
Nice, Megan. That was nice. Oh no. Oh no.
I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament. 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 You die. I've run the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die. Pretty little baby.